next question. Now this wants us to get the radii of the circle, but there is a catch in this. The catch is that we have a triangle inside the circle, so we are actually looking for the circumradius. So if this is a center, let me take this point and as 13 and this point as 14 and 15. Okay, so this is A, B and C, and this is 14 and this is 15. So we want the circumradius. Okay, so this is the radius we are looking for. This point is O, so we need say R. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Heron's formula again, which is square root of S into S negative A, S negative B, S negative C, where S is equal to A positive B positive C divided by 2. A is equal to 13, B is equal to 15, C is equal to 14. So 13 added with 15 added with 14 divided by 2. 13 with 15 will give me 28, and 14, that is 42, divided by 2 is 21. So SA is equal to 21. Now S negative A is 21 negative 13, which is 8. S negative B is 21 negative 14, which is 7. S negative C is 21 negative C is 15. So this is going to give me 6. Now A corresponds to this value, B corresponds to this value, and C corresponds to, so C corresponds to 15, B corresponds to 14, A corresponds to 30. So just to avoid any ambiguity. So therefore area is equal to root of, my S is 21, S negative A is 8, S negative B is 7 and 6. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, and then you multiply with 7, 56, 5, 42, 5, 47, 4 and 11, 6, 6, 6 are 36, 3, 42, 45, 4, 10, 1, 6, 1, 6, 7. So you get 7056, root of 7056. So you can use your calculator. So square root of 7056, 84. Okay, so therefore area is equal to 84. Now we need to get the circumradius. So circumradius is required. So what I'll do is instead of saying it as small r, I'll take it as capital R. So that's a better representation. So circumradius capital R is equal to ABC divided by 4 times. Now I'm going to use symbolic representation like this. Now this means area of the triangle. I place a triangle within square brackets. This means area of triangle. So this formula will be used. So what is A? A is 13, B is 14, and C is 15 divided by 4 times. The area is 84 square units. So let me write that down there. So 84, right? Can I reduce anything? So 2 divides here, 2 times 2 divides here 7 times. 7 divides 84 once, and you carry 114. 7 times 2 is 14. And 3 divides here, 5 times 3 divides here 4 times. So you have 15 into, or I would say 5 into 13 divided by 2 into 4. So this is 15, 1 pounds of 65. 65 divided by 8. So what is this? This is units. And what exactly is this? R. So you can write this down. Therefore, R is equal to 65 over 8. Probably you can write that as units. So this is a lovely question. And we have not used any geometrical concepts to get the value of R, which is the circumradius, but we have used this beautiful formula, right? Of course, different textbooks have got different names for this formula, but just to make knowledge elaborate, I have given you this type or this variation also. So having given you this, let me move on.